Online English British Tutor Words Pronunciation Tutorial. Watch the tutorial first and listen carefully to the sounds that I make when reciting the words. Watch it again and copy the way I say it. Please practice a few times and you will surely improve. Cabin, cabin. Data, data. Bowl, bowl. Truth, truth. Executive, executive. Develop, develop. Pizza, pizza. Wednesday, Wednesday. Opposite, opposite. Police, police. Thank you for watching and learning the British way of speaking English. Please like my Facebook page and share with family and friends. If you would like some lessons with me, please get in touch through Facebook.